G'day folks, and welcome to another Ken's Home video. Today we're off to see the 2011 Muscle Car Masters at Eastern Creek. It's the Group NC Division 1 Race 1. And leading the pack in the white Mustang for Race 1 is Fraser Ross. And second from that is Des Wall in the famous racing Mustang of Pete Gagan's. Third on the grid is Vince Macri in the little Torana XU1, and coming in fourth is Harry Barguana, and Harry must have changed this year to a Mustang. He used to run a little red XU1 as well. It turned out a nice sunny day for Father's Day on the Sunday. You can see there's a fair crowd on the hill. A lot of show and shine cars in there as well, and that exhibition's getting bigger. We'll have a look at that one a little bit later. At the moment, it's the Group NC.
Historic division. This is Division 1, Race 1, Darren Knight for the NCs. The man of the ball is that man on pole position, of course, Fraser Ross in the number 65 Trans Am Mustang, running the 302 Windsor under the bonnet. He'll start alongside Vince Macri in the Torana. Alan Burke has stalled the Falcon, finally gets it away. The big blue Falcon in trouble off the line. And Alan will fall almost to the rear of the field, disappointing.
There's 29 cars contesting the Group NC Division 1, Race 1. And also got a heap of variety of cars in this race, like the Group NB. There's Ford Mustangs, there's XU1 Toranas, GT Falcons, and Greg Tofu is running an HQ Kingswood. He also runs in the Group NB. There's Chargers and Camaros, rotary Mazda RX2s, Ford Capris. There's a couple of GTHO Falcons in there as well, so what a mix of cars. Great variety from the 70s. I like Eastern Creek as a spectator course. From where I'm standing now, you can look at them coming out from Corporate Hill, following all the way down the back straight and along the main straight, and you lose them at the end of the pits on turn 1. That's a fair bit of viewing, which is really good. This is the view we're getting from turn 7. Another great thing about Eastern Creek is you can drive around the outside and just park at the edge of the circuit. Unfortunately, I was hoping to get up to Corporate Hill this time, but they'd blocked it off. Radio folks, we're watching them come through turn 9 now, and we didn't quite get the end of this race, but at the moment it's Fraser Rose from Des Wall, which in the next lap or two, Des Wall catches him and overtakes him. So the final standings for the Group NC Division 1 Race 1 is Des Wall from Fraser Ross, Harry Bargwanna, Andrew Williams, Daniel Kennedy and Greg Topher in the HQ Kingswood.